Good evening, sir. I want to work out things in the right and proper way so that everybody can live and move on. And yeah, you don't have to love up and hug up everybody. But you have to make sure so you have a common ground. You have to have a common ground. No, we're not immune to the struggles of life, but that not give you the right to tarnish and tear down somebody else because you're not having a good year. You understand what I'm saying? And these people will continue to do these wrongs in our society. Them get up every day and just form them little alliance while we suffer. You know, have to use it and make people know so them feel low when time them soon and try to do the best by yourself. And I try to work out in a life and I try to live peaceful. And even when them not deserve no mercy, you still give them mercy. Them kind of people that fi stop suffering on earth now and allow to prosper and live to see our next day because we have been through the hell, but we choose heaven. You understand what I say? We've been through the ground, but we choose heaven. Them things have it done now, man. Them things have it done now. And the mothers, them, me call out them wicked mama, them. We empower them children, them, to continue to behave that kind of way there. And create a divide in the family. You understand what I say? If I not incest, if I not rape, you have one set of family where just come together and just defend them one another in them wrongs. And no one in the space, the one where in the space to talk the truth, and them get the kick out, and them get the disrespect, and them get the trodden up on. You understand what I say? Them things that fit done now, my lord. Them things that fit done now. Jamaica people, the ones them who left down here, man. You understand? None of them government entities here, none of them women organization here. What day when time Samoa want pass them law down here? 17 or 18 I feel with strongest women organization sign off on a gay law. But when it comes to children, real children rights, so children in a household for have counseling and to deal with the traumas them will affect them and not that because you know raise sheep. A sheep farm on set up in a Jamaica. I want to come turn everybody in a sheep down here. You understand? So Queen Ifrica, pure daughter. Uno fit a 20 rep a dava for your guard jail. You see me? I don't want me to talk everything. I want to do. You not stop till me have to talk everything. Or that you not say? Me not feel no shame in my game. Me try the best to raise my youth them in all of my atrocities. Me dead for me youth them no matter what. Even when me forget them and raise it, Tony Rebel own them. And leave my own them behind. So them not get in some of the things them will reach them in a life. You see what I say? And you come January morning. You're there on my doorstep with police little girl. After all of what you tell me what you got through and how me help you to heal and love you. And me supposed to stay quiet for one next year with this. You know, man. Let's go, man. Let it all come out. Come out wherever you are. Come out. All rot from under all stone. All rot from under all stone. The time come for good for stop suffer for bad. Good not have to suffer for bad forever. You not have to suffer forever, Jamaica people, underneath this we are going down here. And me are the only little one we stand up and I say, love me country. And on my yard, police are line up and this are line up and